Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining how you can install WordPress manually using cPanel, and I'll be trying my best to do this tutorial as fast as I can. So let's just go over the speedrun real quick. And the first thing you want to do is download the official CMS from the WordPress website and download it as a zip file, unzip it on your computer, and remember the directory. Then you want to upload WordPress install script to your server by going into your domain.com/cPanel, log into your cPanel account and find the file manager tool, locate the public HTML directory where you want to store all your website items. Then you want to decide on the location, either in the root directory or in a subfolder of your domain. This is where your website will be. After you extract the WordPress installation archive, then just delete the zip by right-clicking and deleting the zip. And first, before proceeding, you need to install a couple of other things. You need to install a MySQL database, a user with the appropriate credentials, a database host, a table prefix if you want to use multiple sites, and a unique phrase and salt key. To create a database, you just need to log into cPanel, go into MySQL database, into the wizard, create a database, remember the name, and click next step. Then just create users by going into your database and editing the users. Enter a username and a password. Make sure that it is a strong enough password, and note your passwords for later. Once you've done that, assign the user to database and assign permissions by going to the Add to User to Database section. Then click the user drop-down menu and select the newly created user. Go to the database section and click the new database which you've made, and then go to next step and assign database privileges. For the initial database user, select all privileges. Once you're there, click Make Changes and verify everything by checking over it manually. Once that's set up, go back to your root folder and complete the installation. You need to edit the wp-config.php file by inserting 4 pieces of information. By using these here commands, which alter the database name, the database username, the database password, and the host. In most cases, it is just the local host. Once you've done that, update default unique keys and salts. While still editing the file, find the authentication unique keys and salt section and enter your unique key and salt in the section mentioned above. Once you do that, rename the file wp-config.sample to just wp-config without this part here. Do not save the file as its default name. You have a couple of potential errors which just arise when the information is incorrect or incorrectly input. Once you do that, just run the installation scripts, follow these steps, and everything should be installed. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.